Well, are you interested in a director of system engineering role? Well, we have a new role. This role is located in Houston. It is an in-office role, but it is a director role over system protection. And this is a quite extensive role, including the whole system protection group, as well as land services group. This is for an investor-owned utility that's looking for someone that's very sharp in protection, also very strong in NERC compliance, and someone with that technical abilities, but also has that leadership ability to grow and expand a team. So if you have that sort of experience, at least 8 years, you have your PE license, you're willing to be in an office and lead a group of almost 90 people, then please send your resume or referrals to mike@globaltalentnow.com. Thank you and take care.